Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Binyameen campus. Today I deliver the lecture on page number 14. Question number 1. Part A. Place these number in Pakistani periods and write their names. 673000159. Now in Pakistani period 6, 73, 00, 159. And now you read like that: 6 crore 73 lakhs 159. Now we did question number 2, page number 14, part A. Write number and placing comma. 3 crore 11 lakh 42,300. Now you can write like as 3, 11, 42, and 300.